Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at the Transcend 48GB DDR5 5600 UDMM, a desktop memory module designed to boost your system's performance. This particular module, the JM5600LE 48G, boasts some impressive specs that make it a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their RAM. First off, it operates at a low voltage of 1.1 V. This is a significant advantage as it translates to lower power consumption and reduced heat output. This is not only good for your energy bill, but also contributes to the overall stability and longevity of your system, especially during demanding tasks. The 5,600 metric tons S-speed is where this RAM really shines. This high speed allows for faster data transfer rates, which can noticeably improve system responsiveness and reduce loading times in games and applications. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply someone who wants a smoother computing experience, the speed boost is definitely noticeable. Another key feature is the inclusion of a PMIC, or Power Management Integrated Circuit. This dedicated chip ensures better and more efficient power control for the memory module. This leads to more stable performance and potentially better overclocking headroom if you're into tweaking your system for maximum performance. Transcend has also ensured that this memory module is JEDEC compliant. This means it adheres to industry standards for compatibility and reliability. You can be confident that it will work seamlessly with a wide range of desktop motherboards that support DDR5 memory. Durability is also guaranteed, so you can rely on this RAM for the long haul. Finally, the limited lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. Transcend stands behind their product, and this warranty protects you against potential defects or failures down the line. It's a testament to the quality and reliability that Transcend aims to deliver. In conclusion, the Transcend 48GB DDR5 5600 UDMM is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their desktop's memory. Its low voltage operation, high speed, PMIC for better power control, JEDEC compliance, and limited lifetime warranty make it a well-rounded and reliable option. If you're in the market for DDR5 RAM, this module is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.